Hello students, today we will discuss continuity. So in the 11th class we have discussed the chapter limit. In limit you know that LHL must be equal to RHL, but we can say like that f of a minus is equal to f of a plus, right? If I ask you to plot a curve y is equal to 2 when x is equal to 1 and x otherwise, it means domain is all real number except at one point the rest is y is equal to x. The graph is like that. So if you plot the graph, so you will see that at x is equal to 1, instead of it is 1, it is 2. So you will draw an open circle that you understand, and the graph will be like this. It will be a straight line, but this will be open circle, and here it will be flip circle, and this point the value will be 2, right? So you understand this. So at this point, if I ask you f of 1 minus, so that will be 1, and f of 1 plus, that will also be 1, right? So we say limit exists. But now we will discuss the continuity. And if I ask you, what does this mean? So you also understand if I say function, or you can say curve. Curve is continuous. So what does this mean? It means there should not be any break, right? So there should not be any break while sketching the curve. If it's a break, then we'll say it's a discontinuous graph, right? So at this point, see, if I say limit x tending to 1, so we are not at all bothered what is happening at x is equal to 1, right? But if I say function is continuous at x is equal to 1, it means फंक्शन का जो लिमिट है राइट हैंड लिमिट should be equal to left hand limit and should be equal to the value at that point. Okay, so this is the thing, like mathematically. So here if you see very well, like here in this problem, if you see that f of 1 plus is equal to f of 1 minus, but it's not equal to f of 1. It means the limit x tending to 1, f of x is not equal to f of 1, right? So here simply the function was discontinuous at single point. Discontinuous at x is equal to 1 only. So this was happening here. And now you understood that if you say the curve is continuous, so there will be two criterias. Two criterias. What are those criterias? First of all, limit should exist. Limit must exist at that point. Okay, and the second thing, limit should be equal to value of the function at that point. Okay, so in the limit chapter there was one criteria, LHL is equal to RHL, but in the continuity there are two criteria. Okay, so then we will discuss that what are the type of discontinuities, because it may happen that LHL is not equal to RHL. Okay, so there are a lot of things happening in this chapter, but the basic thing is, what do you mean by the function is continuous? It means these three criteria must be satisfied for being continuous. Okay, so we'll discuss in the next video the type of discontinuities. Thank you.